Welcome to our podcast chat. Today, we're diving into a wild crypto market update from April 8, 2025, with everything from US tariffs to major acquisitions.
Yeah, definitely. So we've got U.S. tariffs announced by President Trump on April 6th, stirring fears of a global trade war, right?
Exactly. It really sent shockwaves across financial markets, crypto markets included. And then on April 7th, Bitcoin hit its lowest point for the year, around 74,430 stocks, before a sharp rebound near $80,000 the next day.
Yeah, that's some roller coaster volatility. And I'm curious, how did the altcoins behave through all this?
Well, altcoins like XRP and Dogecoin rallied by roughly 10% following Bitcoin's bounce. It's like when you're down 1 minute and then the market shows a little relief rally.
Right. Interesting. And what about the corporate side? I heard crypto-related stocks took a hit.
You bet. Shares for companies like MicroStrategy fell because of unrealized losses on their Bitcoin holdings, and they're expecting a Q1 loss. It's almost like the corporate world is getting a double whammy from these market swings.
That makes sense. And there was that regulatory twist with the DOJ, right?
Right, on April 8th, the Department of Justice shut down its National Cryptocurrency Enforcement Team. The idea was to reallocate resources to tackle criminal and terror financing activities using digital assets.
Yeah, that's quite a pivot. But hey, isn't it kind of risky? I mean, disbanding an enforcement unit in such volatile times, could that not backfire?
I get that point. Some might argue that pulling back on crypto enforcement could embolden illicit practices. But the rationale was to focus on more targeted threats. Still, it's a hot topic with lots of debate.
And then there's Ripple's big move, right? Acquiring Hidden Road for $1.25 billion sounds massive.
Absolutely. That deal marks one of the largest in the digital asset space and points to Ripple's aggressive expansion, especially with better regulatory clarity in the US. It's like they're building a powerhouse amid all this turbulence.
Yep, impressive move. So overall, despite the shocks from tariffs and corporate losses, there's a sense of resilience with the short-term rally in the crypto market.
Exactly. Global crypto market cap climbed nearly 5% in just a day, reaching around $253 trillion. But investors are still being advised to tread carefully, given the heavy sensitivity to global economic and political events.
Yeah, caution seems key. That wraps up this update then. Wild times ahead for crypto, and definitely something to keep a close eye on.